the disappearing middle class and the rise of algorithms. Dali Higa. Before we begin, I'd like to invite you to pause for a moment and consider a question. Have you noticed that, in a world where technology grows more advanced, more efficient, and more intelligent each year, an increasing number of people who were once educated, stable, and respected now feel uncertain, pressured, and quietly pushed to the margins? This is not simply a problem of one industry, nor is it just an economic cycle. It is a signal of a deeper transformation, a shift in the structure of civilization itself. In today's episode, I want to explore this transformation with you, to understand why the middle class is disappearing, and how algorithms have quietly become the new architecture of order. As the second quarter of the 21st century unfolds, humanity once again stands at a structural crossroads. The rise of AI and advanced technologies has dramatically increased efficiency. Hospitals diagnose with greater precision, education reaches more people, and production becomes increasingly intelligent. And yet, at the same time, hundreds of millions of middle-class individuals are losing their footing. They once formed the backbone of society, carrying knowledge, skills, and experience. They were the bridge of culture, the support of the economy, and the warmth of civilization. Today, however, AI can generate text, design structures, analyze markets, and even manage organizations. What was once considered knowledge-based labor is no longer scarce. The value premium that sustained the middle class is rapidly dissolving. Society's structure is quietly reshaping itself. At the top, those who control data and computing power. At the bottom, those who rely on algorithms to survive, and in between, the middle class that once stabilized order and reason is being compressed from both sides. At the heart of this shift is not merely occupational change, but a transformation in the operating logic of civilization, because algorithms are no longer just engineering tools. They are becoming the invisible rules of social order. Through seemingly neutral calculations, they redefine what efficiency means, what value is, and what fairness looks like. This leads us to a fundamental question. When algorithms set the rhythm of the world, how do humans understand themselves in a calculated age? And does civilization still place the human being at its center? The logic of algorithms. A new order begins with calculation. Algorithms are not simply cold mathematics. They are a way of embedding rules into systems, replacing intuition with logic, debate with calculation, judgment with prediction. In the past, societies were governed by institutions. Today, algorithms are becoming institutions themselves. Built upon vast quantities of data, they reconstruct what we see, what we believe, and how we choose. Every recommendation, every ranking, every piece of information presented to us quietly shapes values and behavior. Algorithms have no intention, yet they possess power. They do not rule overtly, but they steadily rewrite order. This is the logic of algorithms, a world optimized for efficiency, relevance, and prediction, no longer aligned with the human pace of meaning. 2. The transfer of power. Humanity is undergoing a silent revolution. Power is shifting from visible structures, politics and capital, to invisible systems of data and algorithms. In the past, power was tangible, attached to wealth, military force, or public opinion. Today, power is quiet. It hides in code and flows through information. Algorithms issue no commands, yet they shape thought. They persuade no one. They calculate, from attention to choice, from public sentiment to belief. Everything is being reordered. For the first time, humanity is governed by an invisible structure, one that does not rely on authority, yet continuously reshapes reality. 3. The myth of algorithmic neutrality. Algorithms appear calm, objective, and neutral. They have no emotions, no biases, only instructions. But neutrality does not equal justice. Every algorithm contains human assumptions. Who defines optimal? Who decides what is correct? When engagement becomes the goal, algorithms reward stimulation. When profit becomes the metric, ethics are sidelined. In believing we created pure rationality, we unknowingly encoded our desires and prejudices into machines. Algorithms thus become mirrors, reflecting the deepest projections of human civilization. 4. From familiar injustice to unfamiliar neutrality. Old injustices were tolerable, not because they were fair, but because they were understandable. People recognized, explained injustice, power favoring the few, wealth flowing to established groups, truth packaged and controlled. In such systems, survival was at least predictable. What unsettles us now is algorithmic neutrality. It has no position, no intent. It neither favors the strong nor protects the weak. For the first time, humanity faces an order that offers no explanation and accepts no appeal. A cold equality, an emotionless fairness. We believed we longed for justice, but what we truly miss is old injustice, because it could still be understood. The light of efficiency and the shadow of distribution. AI and advanced technologies are transforming daily life. Medical diagnostics become precise. Education becomes accessible. Energy, transportation, and finance reach unprecedented efficiency. For the first time in history, humanity approaches a form of shared intelligence. Yet beneath the glow of progress, unease grows. Old distribution systems collapse, while new ones have yet to emerge. Wealth and opportunity reconcentrate. Algorithms replace labor. Data rewrites value. Rationally, we celebrate efficiency. Emotionally, we fear uncertainty. AI brightens the future, yet makes tomorrow feel increasingly unclear. The train of the age. Every technological revolution is born in contradiction. The Industrial Revolution, electricity, the internet, all followed this path. Some saw light, others felt left behind, and history's train has never waited. Today's AI wave is no different. Capital, computation, and data form its engine, driving humanity forward with no reverse. We are all aboard. Some stand at the front, seeing dawn. Others remain inside the carriage, still searching for direction. The train moves on. 7. The human beneath civilization. The human beneath civilization is not one who merely wields tools, but one who knows how to coexist within rules, within limits. Civilization is not about maximizing power, but learning how to live together. From kinship ethics to civic law, from sovereignty to human rights, from industrial growth to ecological awareness, progress has always meant rethinking coexistence. Today, AI forces us to redefine it once more. We do not merely need greater computing power, but clearer values. Algorithms must be transparent. Data must have boundaries. Technology must return to service, not domination. 8. What it means to be human. In a world accelerated and reshaped, to be human is not about computational capacity, but about reverence for life and nature. AI can simulate reason, but it cannot experience grace. It can reproduce knowledge, but it cannot generate faith. The ultimate goal of civilization is not mastery over all things, but understanding our place among them. Only then can humanity enter the age of algorithms without being defined by machines, but instead illuminating them with meaning.